Alright, hey everyone, so this package just arrived and I didn't expect it to get here so fast because I ordered it on Monday. And it's pretty easy to tell what order it was. I wasn't expecting it. You know, it's coming from the P&S folks here that I placed an order for it, and it's their new Legend ceramic coating. So let me just see what else is in here. Alright, so we've got this little thank you card here, placing their order. And I ordered this directly from P&S. So that's probably why I got here so fast. And I think they're based in Hayward, California is where it comes from. So here's the other side. Look at that. This little wristband, detailing industry strong. A couple stickers here with their 60 years. So let's open this coating here. If I can actually get the blade in here. Okay, so we just score the plastic. So again, this is brand new from P&S. It was announced on March 15th. Today's the 17th. So like I said, I got here pretty quick. You know, I got my order and it said it was on back order, and so I wasn't sure if I was gonna get it. And so again, this is the initial, like the production release one, and it's supposed to be a limited run. So you just pull the tab here, and you get the nice little container here. It says the Rennie Black Doyle here. Rennie Doyle Collection Double Black Legend, a premium coating experience. And so you just have to kind of pull this thing out here, and then it slides out. So, you know, the packaging is really nice. They've actually done a great job. They've always had good packaging on their products, other than the 50 ml bottle of inspiration. So you get the little card here, and I believe, I don't know, I think that's supposed to be the instruction book. Yeah, so you just scan this to see the instructions and the video, which they have on their website. Okay, you get the little install sticker you can put on there. When you put this on there, you get a auto fiber coating saver applicator in here, and then you get the bottle of the coating itself. And they had a run of 300. The first 300 bottles are going to be this red color. So the coating's not red; it's actually the bottle. So it's a limited run for the initial release for 300. I think they said 300. So again, it's 30 mils. So again, you can actually just use this. So or you can save it if you want to save the bottle. But you know, I'll probably use it on. I don't know which car I'm going to use it on, but the bottle looks really nice. And then if you want, you can top it with bead maker, or you can top it with their other yearly coating Soul. So you can use either one. They recommend 2 coats on this, and I think it's like 45 minutes to an hour between coats. And I think they're saying 4 hours or 2 hours. I think it's either 2 to 4 hours before you put bead maker on top. If you want to top it with Soul, again, you can just do another 45 minutes to an hour. And I think, again, if you want to top it with bead maker, I think it's like 2 to 4 hours, somewhere around there. You can put that on there. And of course, maintenance is they're going to recommend bead maker as often as you want. So that's the new Legend coating. It looks really nice with the red bottle. You know, that's why I kind of like certain brands when they change bottles for a little bit. It looks a little clear on towards the bottom. But again, this is going to be their premium coating. They're claiming a 5-year durability on there. They didn't say too much about hardness. They did say that it's going to bead and sheet, so they've decided to go with beading. And if you watch their Facebook video, they said that the enthusiasts and the consumer, you know, majority of them like beading. So your customers are going to prefer beading, and that the market for sheeting is pretty small, and that the products that do sheet uh, usually don't do too well, and they still bead. So something that they were mentioning on there. So again, this is going to be their premium coating. Their entry-level coating is going to be Soul, which is their yearly coating, and then their middle coating is going to be Inspiration. That one's a 3-year rated. Again, it's going to be rated for 3 years warranty. This one they're talking about possibly doing the 5-year warranty. I think they're in the works for that. Anybody can buy this coating. It's not professional or anything like that. Anybody can buy it. You can buy it at local places, out on AutoGeek. If you go on AutoGeek, buy it there. You get 25% off. I bought this straight from P&S because I wanted the red bottle. So I think this one for me set me back. How much is this coating? So a 30 ml bottle is going to set you back $129, and then plus shipping and tax and all that. So I paid $152 for it. And again, if you're going to buy it and you don't care for the red bottle, just buy it on AutoGeek. Like I said, 25% off. Detailed Image is going to carry it. Rag Company is going to carry it. But again, your best bet's going to be AutoGeek because they're always having big sales. Alright, so again, thanks for watching. I will be putting this on the durability test, but I'm probably going to go ahead and use this first on one of my cars before I put that on there. So I'll save a spot on the roof there because I'll probably end up with a little bit left over that I can use it for the durability test. And again, thanks for watching. That's the unboxing for p&s Legend. A little bit of background of this coating. They said it's actually more user-friendly than Inspiration, which is a good thing because I heard Inspiration is a little difficult to use. And again, so that's p&s Legend. If you guys have any comments or questions, go ahead and post them down below. Again, I'm looking forward to using this. Again, if I use this, I'm going to be topping it with their product Soul, which I do have on hand. Alright, thanks for watching.